Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you for the watch this my video. My people, as soon as know for this our channel, say we they bring gists. Apropos anything with no concern gist. Now with the land for this our channel. That's why you see, say this channel with the column. Apropos Saga TV. Anyway, if you don't see that channel news and gist what they do for dear. My people, I beg, make una continue to encourage this channel by subscribing. Just subscribe. It don't take anything from you. Subscribe, put on your notification bell, like and share. I will also appreciate all of you when they watch our video, when they share our video, when also they like this our video. We really do appreciate you all. Okay, guys, I go leave una make una watch this video. This is our latest gist. May I leave una make una watch am. Okay, my people, I will see you now for my next video. Bye bye.
So you think say you strong? Come guys. Hello. She dey found she want cover her mouth so that make you not talk. Now DNA will be ask you. A DNA man no way. A DNA the F4 never. So I go bring DNA. Because when you they ask Tago wife that you say, Tago wife oh go and bring DNA. If it is me, you talk at them. You say if it is you, you too will bring DNA. The video is here. You say if it is you, you will bring it now. What is now holding you? How can make 10 that pikin go the resemble a lot? How 10 that pikin you go resemble a lot? How come? But you buy ya keru wala ni ba bola wife agbe. Although I not blame Papa Wala because Papa Wala na man no. If they say me the real talker, Papa Wala na man. When the beast say man get her to marry 200 wives, it the Bible. Man get her to marry 50 wives. Based on how he power take reach am. Based on how his strength take carry am. Yes. Come guys. Come and this something. You understand, my people? Good morning, YouTube. How can the landlord pikin go the tenant pikin the resemble landlord? How your pikin go your take resemble Papa Wala carbon copy? But if you go when you hear Wala ni ba bon la wegbe. Ori wa hear Wala no wa ho. Bon mozo everything I take resemble that man. Why before he born this boy, they and the man don't know. They don't already they fuck. Here's Zekia UNA. They don't they do vaga themselves. They made the man now. The thing they shock her like if you say this pikin and you. Why una no say if how many people vandalize woman? Now only one person they get pikin. So if you say that period when they vandalize this man, that belete and when they bomb no matter. Okay, the man come and say, where are we DNA? Honest one. Where DNA on you prove yourself. It the wrong. Why you call the wrong? Why you the wrong? Why you the wrong? You don't feel proof. Now you call the laugh. I can't talk where. Ashewo kobo. Ashewo kobo. Umeti we DNA. Uma seti we. How pikin go take resemble Papa Wala? Eru Wala so te di man come shock because we are guy o. Parfait yo como. Parfait yo lare o. Come help me, oh. Papa Wala call the cry. Say, I beg, oh, mother, come. This pikin, mother, tell to I remain, can't give her any DNA. Be no come as I cut us any DNA. Every while I'm any DNA. Oh, my come where you need the DNA. Every while la latia. Don't more way, come and carry your pikin. How come? can, okay, may I speak English? How can tenant pikin resemble landlords? Your mumu wey dey carry, you no get muscle. How can you not get muscle? You go the carry papa while I'm muscle. You think you can cover this shit? You think you can cover this atrocity? Never, you lie. You lie. You know if you cover them. What we need is DNA. Yariere. Ugi lekia. Why you go the wrong? Why you go the wrong? Ni ba bola webe no kegbe. Ni ba bola webe na swa. Because you na Judah. She too, him too na Judah. And Judah betrayer. All what betray here. As part the movie try reach for that elsewhere body. When be slave for what to do. Because of money not betray. Because of money, he not betray part the movie. When he come when the Linus Uba, thank you. Yes, for the boss lady. Linus Uba. He got the way he want to. He got the fact way to betray her friend. And then they say fake life. Oh, who start fake life? But there are some people they say, Vera, wait Vera. Oh, go get money. What did Vera do? What did I don't do for this social media? Me don't do one inch. Have I ever carry somebody cassava come outside? I don't ever carry children. They bully Pukin. They show the picture on my wall. What have I done? When don't reach the one way out why I don't do. When don't reach the one way out why I don't do. When out why I begin they collect money. That time Facebook never be paid. They collect money. Bring matter for me in a job on social media. You go collect money. If this one bring matter come, you go collect money. If that one bring matter come, you go collect money. I believe so that time. And that's why they aware. How can Pikin go take resemble another man, my people? Wanna share this video? Please share it out. How can Pikin go take resemble Papa while I'm gonna talk truth, my people? Una not see that boy as he resemble Papa while. So take the man no say fuck her. Before he born that boy, my people, he do vaga. He do vagara before he born that boy. Oh, my mom, you are welcome and share the video. Thank you. He do vaga. Then make una see her. That's why I really don't feel bring DNA to prove who get Pikin and who not get. Mona ask her why she is running away from DNA. Why she is running away from DNA. Matter of grand analyzation will move. The boss lady will move. Because why? You know if you beat person finish, you go say why the person go cry. You go say, but say no vie, who get vie niya, who banu. She sit down, she asked Tago wife. Tago wife, go bring DNA, oh boy. That one go bring them. How can you? Ijeki no my leg beno go and agbeli weju. How can you be running? You're not supposed to run. Nivia do adame mata wagale. Ivia do wale ne mata. And that's why here with social media they present no way. Wait till I really don't do for this social media. Which presenter don't do one? Which presenter don't bully people, children? Bully people, grown up man. He carry cassava, I bring a publisher. Which presenter don't come outside? They bring a whole grown up man. It's not that she have problem with that man. It's not that she have problem with that man. Which presenter have begin bullying Pikin? He go bring a Pikin picture come outside, go call the bully and they bully the mama, they bully the papa. You know, no be she. No be she. Which presenter they collect money? They collect money for people, they talk people matter. And when she want to talk, she go wear blast pants. She go put blast pants for her. So that may not see her eyeball. No, they cannot beg her eyeball, okay? Almost pants on Mujao. But I got where. Now me tell you, say, okay, man, like me. Are you mad? Are you okay? You sit down. Operating, you don't do for this social media. Your man don't feel lock you for his house. Our blues don't feel lock you for his house. because based on say the mind don't spoil am. Our blues no get say for that house. And they say, no. Now you bring all those problems when not finish. My people now say when they fight for them. When me they talk to the rest people, now see my picture. Una see innocent children picture. No. Epa. Hello. 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 Hello, I'm on live video. Okay, hello.
I'll call you back.
Okay. Hey, my people. Which presenter they collect money? Now she. When this woman want talk my matter, she no look back. She no look back. When me they start for her that time, they talk to people. Una see any bully on media. Una see anything because this one if you do so wow here wow bego there. Una not they see. Me I go left to na see. Because I go let una see. Since all those Benin people say they're not the see road, though, they're not the see road. Mega you wa bego there. Because never reach now. When they come and they say, "Record guys, I say this in the minus." Yes. Don't comment. Una they say Iviedo, bugwa wagmo. Niviedo bugwa. Then Iviedo ji. Who biti Bini? One that spoil everywhere. If they talk, now say they talk. Each people never talk, una go bring mats. They never throw mat go Bini, una go bring mats. But the wickedness in you people, una no fit comot am. Una go see truth, they go dey run. If they don't see truth, they are learn. Wetin they know both try for Yoruba, Hausa, Igbo, they go dey try for their own fellow Benin body. Wetin they know both try. Yoruba do saga more than us. Because they are speaking their language, you cannot hear what they are saying. Yoruba do saga past us. They do it. He get one girl will be one Igbo girl. That girl saga jewei na Igbo. Na Igbo language they speak. And said, you know they speak English. He get many Yoruba me I know me I they follow. Now Yoruba they tell the talk, you know they hear what they tell. No, say that what they do. Benio. Why not the time they make them respect themselves? When God be say, matter come, they want to change her. Bini and Isha and Bini. And not get you don't tire. You go see the year when Ogun go where. But when that's why they do, una say what this woman they do, he good. Una say what she they do, he good oh, very nice oh, he's okay, he's good. But when another person come the door, una say no good. Una say no fine. Una say na bad thing. They say Emma oh. He no good. But nobody don't do rich at Atwairi. Nobody. When she come outside, they talk. At the end, come out for here, you the mad. May I block your head? If I see your comment again for my YouTube, I'll block your head. You are born like that which way. You don't go tell your mama, may go breed DNA. You not go tell your mama, may she go breed DNA. If not be DNA, we not go rest. They comment rubbish for my YouTube. One may I block your life, block your picking destiny. Because they don't like truth. Based on say, na the same gang they day. Based on say gang go kpayache, they don't like truth. But if na me, they say make you go bring DNA, this is that, not bring am. Una go see wetin go happen for this social media. Una for see wetin go happen for this social media. And no get wife will be ashewo. Ashewo no mama. You think you can cover my mouth? Well, you can't hide. You can't do it. You never see the children picture. You never see when I go the picture. If I not kill your people, if I not buy one of your people put, you gonna say not be me. That's why I go join the Yori. I need money. That time, Papa Wala go lose. Any bastard fucking man, they go lose. Yes. Yes. Actually, try yourself. Shall you say you dey fly? Eh, me ma te buy your money. Where me go eh? Me ye come you wo. Mo gani me come you way. The remaining 2 girls are red die life here useless. Wag beo. So if they pay you for body, they hide up and down. Because you don't both challenge me. They don't born you when no feel weigh my spirit down. She don't feel weigh my spirit down. Mama said, hello.
Mama.
Hello, the live video, hello.
Hey, Mama, beg, no verse. You say you go there, beg, no verse. Forget or no gay. Also, no rich.
You know, but what did I do good now?
I beg. Forget them, Mama, I beg. Mama, you too much. You know your husband. You look at your husband fine. Your husband too fine. I don't want to make your husband they come out for social media. Mama, I beg.
But what did that idiot? Now they find trouble. But what did that idiot they do it good, my brother?
Oh, no gay, where woman. Now, be help her, give her that woman. Or no be take a show for house. Or no be a gay house. No be that woman help her. Mama, I beg.
Okay, why not go there at itself? When they throw my pastor for Germany?
Mama,
Why?
No, I beg. Mama, I beg. Mama, I beg.
When I go the corner, because this war not go finish. When I still go the corner, anyhow they need her, my man go they come out for her plus and Enoki. Me go they come out for your wife and Atwari. Anyhow they need her, we go give them. You accept you go call that useless where a shower put for us. You go call her, though now Iraq and Iran or dinner.
Mama, I beg.
You go call her too.
Mama, I beg.
Who not near you? Why you go near her? Me, I not near Enoki. I take Enoki like my brother. I never caused Enoki before. Why you go call the cause my man still call and say, what did they happen? You begin to swear for my man.
Oh, no, get day like that. They want you, Mama, I beg. You forget them, Mama, I beg.
No!
Not be made. I beg.
No, you're too much, oh. You're too much. May you see God, my brother. God go bless you. I hear you. See God call her. Because this one Iraq and Iran for. Any other need that we go give them. We go give them for this Deutschland. When I letter, if you see letter, your head go correct. We go the one you first of all. Letter Deutschland with the one. Yes.
I know.
Who when I let the Deutschland for you to trauma give for that? You wait. I don't move where we want. Direct. I don't move where we want. And I say where. Una go next time they go know how to manage business. I'm not talking okay. Because of this woman, he just the cost me. He do finish, he had my man join.
Mama, if you come up for live video, I mean they want you now, I'll still call you.
Okay, no problem, my brother. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you. You know how many people from America, from Canada, from UK, they don't call my man. Because my man, your man help power. Before you will be like my man, it will take you more than 15 years. Do you know how many certificates my man get for Deutschland? School that you no go. Nothing where this boy gets. And I said nowhere. Sure, you want fight for Atwari. You want fight for Monica. If Monica not run, leave you. I tell you. Don't start what you cannot finish. Because now that will pursue us. Before my man reply you, enough is enough. Enough is enough. My man even call her to enlist or I talk to her politely. Somebody that really call my man. We don't even know say a day live video. But wait till he come make her call they cost my man. If all those Atwari people not put it for problem, make that mean no mutakuwe. Yes. We go soon go wait for you. No mutakuwe. You don't get sense. You know when and where you don't get sense to think. Say where they go so or share this video, guys. This thing it go backfire you. You don't know why we got me letter bar. Relax. Relax. We got me a bar. Go honey. Why and this is why we go investigate now. That picking, oma no gelera. You mad. Since no one hide yourself, one on Lazia. For you to even go temper my father-in-law, you don't put yourself for problem now. You say you be troublemaker. Where you for talker, you say you don't know say I be trouble somebody. Hey, yeah. But I don't know why you don't get sense. I don't know why you don't get sense. You say you be trouble somebody. Whether you don't know say you be trouble somebody, you go to cause father-in-law there. Well, I mean, for only that word that comes out of your mouth, you are a fool. As well, let you be. People when they push you, when they had other fake accounts, let me tell you, we make the show face, make the show face. Because now they see, let they hold. All those one when they fake account when they follow you. If you read it, they not see for live video 2 to 3 days. They found other people when they want to go wash. Yes. Yes. You never see anything. They're going to find other people when they want to wash. That time you don't come up for the track. Because I don't near you. Mama even called to talk to you. You call the customer. Now you first cost me. Now you first see throw mad. Go the cost my man. Slippers no get size. Oh, no, when I now. It don't tell when they do cut. This one, it don't shock you. You don't know how you want to put the matter for granted again. Thank you, love. Thank you, my darling. You don't know how you want to put the matter for granted. Oh, who could wear the yeah? I told you who could wear. My wear. All of you can laugh. All the book by your blue. All the book by you. Mega me ladia. My time you wa. My time you fit away. Mega is a wear. You know sister to I read wrong. You know sister to I read piate. I to I read wrong. You cause say now you a Dutchland and you don't get one of Dutchland. Okay now. We go see her now. No need now. We go see how you go play now. I got beggar a bar. You don't know your Dutchland. You understand? You know, don't look me. Don't necessarily be trouble somebody when you did ban off that video. Trouble somebody. You they beat the who they go. You they beat who they come. Zupa. Super. Your name don't first spoil for Dutchland. Report. Three report about 4. They meet you now. Not be the, may I not talk. Well, never know if your boss will be out now. For you to go ahead, my father-in-law. Well, I want chance in there now. We wait trouble somebody who. Ou we panoma negbe no me passport which kind of passport he gets. But he go you the cash you. Egbe wa mwe no kie. Ama gbe beni yo mo but when we get Dutchland. Who was war? Hey man who if you no drive you. If the body do the hot time. If omana who when you get sunu. Any ask somebody. Your mother oluku they do a shewo. No get where your mama, they will be your papa. Who is your father? When I tell you, I say, if mama carry belly, no, give a shot at this side the line. She won't hear person confirm my yesterday. Say, papa, that trailer driver be waiting. He give mama belly feeling I run. If mama no see papa. Mother ask her, who train and grow for I want to do? Old woman. Who you stay with for I want to do? You never explain that part. Who you stay with or swear? Also, when they call us Jem, because they say I no get bijou. Una near palace. You don't know your part. You don't even know the language where your party they regret. Where more una twe, me doni. Una no get. And no get this thing where they greet. Say this one, if papa greets very well. Maybe that mama side greet, now they greet. You stay with your man. Now your mama take good care of you, yes or no? Is it your mother that take good care of you? Is it your mother? No, it's not your mother. It's not your mother that take good care of you. Because a person you're quiet. And I said, you don't tire. You call the car Ishan, Bini. No, I know they call Bini call Ishan. My mom know they call Bini call Ishan. Not be tribal war with the fight. We are not fighting tribal here. Is man to man, woman to woman. Yes, so very defined girl. Of course, my darling. Thank you. We are not doing tribal. You don't tire now. You back on the car. Isha, in Ijo. Yes, I don't feel to say mama na Ijo. Mama na pure Ijo. Papa. My papa na Bini. But the truth of the matter here now, me and you. Forget tribalism. Stop seeking for attention where there is no attention. Because now waiting at I read they do you know what breed DNA. She have been looking for attention ever since. Not to breed DNA. Why are you not seeking for attention? Now you don't tire. Stop talking Isha Yoruba the court tribe now. Let's do it one-on-one. Why you make your power? Yeah, he dey say him mama na Ijo as that caller tell me. I felt deny. Mama na Ijo ma pa na Bini. Owe se na lamogun ma tu ebe gbo pa ma kere. Lamogun ma tu e gbo pa ma kere. Abi eri me be panas mu gbe o. E gbo pa ma kin lamogun ma tu e. Dukunu wa tu e. Dukunera tu e. My father greeting is Lamogu. And the door is say no. Now my mama be jaw. You do anyhow, you see anyhow. Who are ready, who are rubbish, who are rubbish. Yes. In my work, Hijima. If you do anyhow, you see anyhow. Mama na Ijo confirm one. No me do anyhow. Go ask who no mama. They'll tell you. Go ask who know my papa. They go tell you say my papa na pure confirm big man. Remove tribalism away from this matter. Because when my man call you, he not all say na yo Ishama. No, no matter. He not talk and say hello na Ishama or you na Bini o. Come on, call quarrel. No. He only tell you say why you dey call sir hello. Hello, I'm on live video sir. Okay, Baba.
What's it not? You got get with your mom with you. I will feel
okay. More than wait, see. That is what be the thing. I bet person they come and call again why college jare. Ah. Hello, ma go. Hello, daddy.
The muffin or walking in
they deny say by the if you don't do anything. If you not see these two people are not wrong. Hey, who be this one? Wait now, wait. Person they talk. Hey, hello.
You go walking a momo year old walk. A mark why you're now talking to get too cute. And look at Nigeria, Mark, where worry.
Okay.
I swear, look at Yatila, where only waffle, yeah, we you there.
Wow, we you there. Hey,
maybe I don't need to say,
we the talk with the talk. If you don't Bini, Opa my when we do me shocking. What I first said,
oh, yes, money at that. Yes,
no, I said, where for book baby, what to do? Okay. They don't can be sorry. They know what it concerns some people for this matter. What it concerns tribe for this matter.
They marry their wife, they take care of her. Hey. Go sit down with woman, they do any artist say life don't finish.
Hey. Can you imagine?
You born, you not do a shower, but your wife don't do a shower for you. The wife now shower can't do.
Hey.
Even the day we go back at the Murphy wife, now you wife the Murphy wife tell us now wait till you see.
Now you talk. That's it.
Walk her man, and I got the slave. Go watch that video. I don't cut and keep.
Okay.
But what's it look at? Look at women.
Where's it, daddy? Where's it?
Where
okay, daddy. Where's it? Can you imagine? You dey preach tribalism. When they concern tribalism, for example, when they talk. When we get doing, we are not giving you a buy now. He, doing. Now when person they call, now I go take the call. Phone they grab, why calling? Use I take the distract caller. Hey, my people. Hey, no get power wife talker. He say now wetin he see now he talk. Now wetin he see now he talk. Okay, you come out now. Go use the pikin hair. They swear. You know bodo. May you know say these two people they be the same. A pa I really give that woman medicine when it is born. Belle when it don dey roti. Belle no ho etenate la jale. Belle when my God be don dey do one for inside. Belle when it don finish. You hear when this corner talk and I born. Me mag basha wo. Man. I don't for me they like him because it be be son ibuye gwalo. Iye gwalo. He mag be now. But I won't work be. I shall want you work be. I'm not talking to Jenna, but I won't work be. Not waiting there, woman body. Allah. So take call a cock they describe it to TOTB. Share my disgrace. Your woman white ass. And I say, wolo. And I say, wolo. Oh my admission is over. It's so about. I share one go. Shebi they describe your TOT right now. They describe by your TOT as if it make jabba. As if it take peace go they smell. They describe my own like that. Poor born, you know born. I born, of course, you know born. Is a new thing. I born, of course, you know born. Not be the born for say take time, not get for grant. You know born. Now you go was past me now. How we walking was to say? Now you was past my own. Cause I shall want to wake be. What in fact they say Finland, ooh. They say Roma, ooh. Tripoli, ooh. Germany, Duisburg, Essen, the Dusseldorf, ooh. Bola.
Hello, Vera, my sister.
Oh, my darling, my lady. Share this video.
God bless you for your good work.
Thank you, my darling.
Message to Enogia. They watch him video yesterday when he put clothes. If I have a sport, they reach the journey. When they put clothes,
Madness.
They breathe the body because heat fire don't enter the body. Very soon now you go soon enter with only buster.
Yes.
You dey play Vera video when I market the quarry.
Don't be my video. My darling, I'm waiting that you wanted blackmail me last year. I not believe. My people know. They say Vera mad, they fight her. I don't do social media for good 4 years. Una don't hear me and mama they quarrel for live video or call the talk for my video.
Wait, Vera. Where for not say that they really mumu and that Monica will not know himself. They don't say that they did that voice. Okay, who can stay with you?
Now that woman go the ass. Who can record that? Who can send that? Who they send that give?
Wait, play rich. When I play rich for like 1 year plus, I be 2 years plus, no, you take the fight for that. You never even see your record.
Play!
See what they are doing.
God bless you.
You and your husband say they live. They go that very stupid. If let's assume okay, now better your husband the quarrel. You and your wife not the quarrel. Idiot.
Understand? Yeah, not be me. Mona answer who bring her. Mona me answer where they foresee her.
Who give you that? When I foresee her. I be Vera said that.
Come give
with mistake. You don't get the bastard. And not get the wash platter. Plate washer.
That the way woman they cry say you go wash plate.
And not get the plate washer. And not get plate washer. You be nothing. We not that saying.
Share this video, guys.
But that not get plate washer. Then we know you put.
Hey.
Oh, Papa, bastard. Let me see the support Monica.
Yes,
Make you
sir.
not bring DNA.
Yes,
Because
sir.
you na bastard, you don't know you don't know your papa.
Welcome.
So you the appeal say Monica son and your nephew. A nephew by bastard. When they don't know who to papa.
Can you
Make your mama
imagine?
come and they after they fight you say you're in the judge they give people this money. I already tell the fighter. I already tell they talk about DNA. I already tell they call a mugu of 10 years relationship. Now they ask you. Since you already call you, say you be a just woman. Say me go do DNA. If not me be I go use a knock chest.
Okay.
I go do the DNA. Then after I do the DNA, then you go tell you anything you want tell her.
Oh.
Who they listen to you.
Uh-huh.
Not be waiting person accuse you put. You never even defend yourself. You go to talk anyhow. I don't know the kind of human being a shallow group.
Hey.
Idiotious grandmothers know that they wash you, that they support you. Shame on you people.
Hey, their details there, their heart. Their details there are hard. Details of every apple.
Nigerians, now you get this attitude, but I've been here always at their lips.
Hey.
We will see something when it's bad. We're not going to condemn and say it's bad. Let's make our country. It's there where it's there to that. I'm going to say, Buhari. And now we be the way they said, we don't mind the worst person who they run the country.
Hey.
We not go see where through there. That's how they make people person. That's how they clap a person. God forbid. I don't know.
DNA that we ask for DNA problem your con. That's why they run up and down. Why you they run? Why you they run for DNA?
You don't better avoid. You tell them better avoid. Say your husband is worried. That's why when we say if that the kulikuli don't smoke, it go finish. It go map out better.
Shebi that's why the husband beat her for live video. More than 4 years old, I don't hear my man. Oh, la la.
Mama, you mad? Mama, why are you making that everywhere in the street? People looking at you, you're a mad woman, mama. You don't see that one. You don't see that one. Come talk.
No, the man. He don't see something talking. He don't see say that's why I do a show. Or mommy,
Not be mad.
I go snap the picture. But my me. Mona wait.
Bring the man picture. Bring your picture. They may bring the man what they accuse now. Show your people, say I beg to my people. Let me look this 3 picture. What my son resemble for you? No, let me go this one and they swear they bastard. Because when I know they stand for the truth. When I think say we they push better, say better, they stand for. No, we don't they push better because better than the truth if they talk.
Yes.
The way mama go talk, now some mama on the truth. If other people talk, so be lie.
Oh, that's how the sister has to boss now. Oh, so that to boss no veggie talk.
Go my darling. Truth away this year. As I thought, say peace not go there for.
They are not go get peace.
So peace go run away from now.
Yes.
So no peace.
Yes.
Monica go there. He go push all of now. The essence all of now. Now because they do what she they do. All our children, they cause they live bastard there. Maybe like that, those are showered. Those are even I will say no let that boy that papa wala. No, if I lose that Monica carry papa wala shoulder. He carry papa wala shoulder. Not let that senior one. Now she say he resemble am close. He cannot say man you like papa. But I know she said that in first daughter. He be like I say.
Papa.
Blue be. That first, that second, and the last. That papa wala na get it. If Monica, if you say na lie, let you come prove the step.
Come prove yourself. Don't prove everywhere. Come and prove yourself.
Not the Monica when they say that the man does the 2 children. The 2 children, not let that first one let me have blue. Now she said that girl, he carry a blue eye. I said blue mune. That's what the girl mune. But so I see Papa tell the top. I said that if I will see that girl they take close pass. If they take close for blue. Now blue carry close body than other children. If they do anything, I know they see where they communicate with that daughter. You know they communicate with J-boy like that and Monica. Because you know say those 2 children not blue.
No be lie, yo. The way they do.
Shame on you people. Shame on you. God forbid. I never see this kind of thing. I never see this kind of thing. where they happen for
Sweet,
real.
control your comments and I go block you. Control your comments and I'll ban you. Not be no block, I'll ban you away from you.
Na physical not be moved that they act for Lollywood. If I lose those two children, na papa wala get them. When I look the Monica where they say, nah, this is show that I get with that his brother. This face.
Well, wait, somebody they call wait. Can you imagine?
They're not ashamed. Well, I know the shame. They just when people say, you're the father. As you're the father, they say, the man when you declare, say, the children father. If I be a go verse, I'll go to the DNA.
Yes, so you wait the comments to your airtime, your mama airtime go so come. Tell her we go do DNA, we know the rest. We must talk. What do I go? Yeah. Monica, go bring DNA. Ashia, kobo. Go bring DNA, go bring God. But I think good man look at that.
You don't even prove yourself. Shame
go
on
prove
you.
yourself.
Shame on you.
The video where they ask Tango why I did this for. Anywhere you go, you never see anything. Oh no, where they
but you go see when you go see all these actress matter that they talk for social media. You go carry come up for your work on the talk. Don't tell matter that they carry and back.
You carry why? But you all now you dey run. You dey run for DNA. We no go rest. We no go rest. Bring your own.
I was like this, so the world was accusing me about my son.
Mola, wait now.
They ask you. What the time you say you
share this video, guys.
Your name not remain Atuari. Or people not go follow you or your follower. If not that must be 55 adult children, who go so love you go love you. And just women like you, they go still love you. I shall come guests like you, they go still follow you. That not be that. After now, everybody will get his follower. Yeah, devil get follow, Jesus get follower. So now normal. So people say not be that man like the father of your the world will leave you. I shall we go see people go follow you. I better my contribution to that one.
Thank you, my darling. Thank you. Yeah, ciao. Ashawo kobo. Go bring DNA. Now we ask. Go bring DNA con. Hey, man, no way. Go bring a con. The con, guys. Hello,
Vera, good morning.
Good morning. I did live video, you know.
Yes, and they put her for last speaker because I want to talk to Monica.
Is that speaker, my lady?
So this morning I also say Monica did live video, they insult Yuri. Now because of Yuri make me call. Monica, only what I want to tell you is you're supposed to get shame. Monica, you're supposed to get shame.
Jesus!
Monica. Only one show when you get.
Hey, way!
They speak every day, say no, Papa, why not?
Hey, way! Share this video.
If I need for that pikin, while lying. When they accuse me, say this pikin is there for Papa, why not? Papa, why not? Go see come outside.
Somerset! The man go see come outside for presenter, say if the Papa offer me the color. That pikin go kill her. Maga is there, wait, that pikin go come by you.
You bastard, when you don't know your papa. Monica is here, you didn't come from Yuri. Mommy, Yuri better pass you.
Don't drop a session.
Your time. Because Mommy, Yuri not born. Me they decide the papa.
Hey.
You no born. Me they decide the papa. You no born bastard.
Hey.
No. Since when he deal with Igwe, you don't hear say mama don't come out and
Say fuck her.
as he deal with Igwe.
No man.
The answer is no.
For you. Let's
You
talk
get
about
one
the
point when I want talk, when people know they talk.
Okay.
The reason why Monica no want to DNA because Monica no say yes. Nah, Papa Waila get that picking. And Papa Waila no want your skunk carry that picking like that.
Based on it, the story don't fit come now. Based on it, other blues.
The day of that Bruce number 1. 2. Papa Waila first wife. He no born senior son. Now Monica na born senior son.
So, God bless you. Shebi I fit tell you that day. Shebi I told her say woman from Nigeria bring that details come give me. Say na this son na be senior.
So Monica no want na everybody know say na Papa Waila na him born senior son for Papa Waila. So now he dey hide the pikin, he dey cover everything. So when time come, Monica go bring the pikin come outside.
When the man don't hold. When he don't hold. When people talk about for social media.
Yes, when the man don't.
Now woman give me the thing for Bogo.
Now that time,
You go
then you
take
go
care.
bring that pikin come outside. Because now, because you know what made that first wife get annoyed with him.
Hey.
You know what made that first wife make cause problem for that family now.
Not only problem, social media. Not only problem, social media.
He go too boss, he go too rain. See Monica, la wo. On money, we want to get to Mezedo now. No money, no money, I have to be here.
Hey.
We get to Mezedo, get where I'm with.
Where?
In the last YouTube, you are here. So we say, I saw you both, they use the tongue, they lick, Mommy Yore Toto. Do Mezedo no lick you? Edoba no lick you?
I don't buy.
Edoba no lick your Toto before you go pop put. Not be lick when do Mezedo lick your Toto, he sweet you. He come before he go release put. You not go know. Nobody you take out the label, J-boy. You not say a J-boy. J-boy too resemble to Mezedo.
God bless you. Then they want close my mouth. Put.
Easy friend. Monica, you're waiting in the lab. It's you. Person like me. Person go talk and from your face like this. My senior son, not be my husband.
Oh.
We'll go to things. You can only buy that again. I am waiting in it. And I waiting in this before. Yeah, you see a polua.
Hey.
Yeah, you see a polua. Monica, this way I'm way. Oh, we don't know what I
You where they work, what they do for you? You where they work, your mama they work, what they do for you?
You see how Bruce, you talk about what you can look at this one. You say how Bruce pull ring from my hand. Monica, who pull ring from your hand?
Hey.
They pull ring from your hand. Then you go to fuck and don't pass. Then go pass it, go to fuck it up and down.
Hey.
When I got one on the door, what I told him?
Easy.
I hear where to have why you know.
Easy.
Monica, who not pick up the other quiver, so that quiver.
Oh, we have wow. Share this video. Ah, we have wow.
You go use your anything you plan against Mommy Yore, everything will report back to you in Jesus.
Amen. Share this video.
We cannot go with any yesterday. Oh, where are you going?
We have wow.
not pick up your way, Monica.
Oh, we have wow. At why they say Monica at why Rene Dokpolo.
Monica, at why Rene Dokpolo. Monica, at why Rene Dokpolo.
Oh, we have wow. Oh, we have wow. Oh, we have wow. You don't know before. Papa Waila Sashi.
Okay, my amazing people, we don't come to the end of this video. And I say our sister Vera don't come outside. Come send message to Inogi and Monica. Me no bless say na me analyze this video. I beg make una help me analyze them for the comment section. Tell us how you feel about this video, and see you all in our next video. And do us a favor by subscribing and like this video, share the video, and see you all. Bye bye.